Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are celebrating a very versatile and delicious food, a root which has been celebrated in many generations in Africa. So today I want to show and cook cassava. It can be roasted, it can be boiled, it can be done as crisps, or you can also deep fry it. So today we are going to fry our cassava for breakfast, and we shall be serving our cassava with kachumbari, for those who know what kachumbari is. So welcome as I show you this. So guys, first we are going to peel our cassava. So let us do that, and you start by cutting into small sizable. Cassava has a lot of soil, so I remove the soil first. You don't need to wash cassava before peeling, but at this one we just remove the soil.
Into my eyes, it's like watching sunrise. You give me that butterfly feeling. My heart starts racing. I can't hide what I'm feeling. Girl, you're the reason my world keeps spinning.
So we start by cutting our cassava into small sizes. Cassava is hard. Oh my God. Let me see. Yes. So we start by cutting our cassava. So we've cut our cassava. Now we peel. One thing I love about cassava, it has a thick skin to protect the inner part. So we peel carefully. Don't worry. Some of it is spoiled, but we are going to sort it out. How do we sort it out? Like this. Then we cut in sizable sizes, pieces like this. You can eat it raw, but we are cooking it. So after cutting the pieces, we put them in a dish to wash. Continue peeling. So next, now we have washed our cassava. here we are washing. They are clean. So next we are going to boil them. So we put in a sufuria with water. Boil them until tender. Before you boil, you add salt. Let them boil in salt. So we are adding our salt like that. So let our cassava boil for about 20 minutes. Then we go to the next step. So right now we are boiling. So my cassava is boiling perfectly. Let us give them time to be tender so that we can enjoy them well. So nice. They are boiling in salt water. So let's check whether, oh sorry for that, whether our cassava is ready. Just pop it. If it feels tender, remember also you don't want to overcook it because there's another step we are yet to do. Oh, my camera has steam, guys. Yeah, like that. So our cassava is ready, guys. So we remove from the fire and go to the next step. So next here we have our white onion. Nowadays I still have red onion, but I'm going to use white onion. I have some cloves of garlic. Then I have spring onion. I'm only going to use those three ingredients. And my oil is here. So we go to the next step, whereby it's frying our boiled cassava. So let's do that. So we have gone in with the onion and the garlic, the white onion and the garlic. We fry until it becomes translucent. So let's fry our onion. Then I'll go in with my cube. Remember guys, I told you this is my secret. All the time, add your cube to the oil if you want nice taste. And the taste will spread to everything you are cooking. Wow, the aroma is killing it. Let us continue frying the onions until they are well cooked. Okay guys, they look to be nice, so we go in with our cassava. So, that's nice. See, the secret, the onion must be a lot. If you want the cassava to come out well, good amount of oil, a lot of onion. Nice. Coming out so nice. Coming out so nice. So we top it up. You can even add parsley. But today, no parsley. I don't feel like adding it. I still add it, but I don't feel. So we top it up with our spring onion. So nice, guys. Guys, our cassava is ready. So nice. So nice. Ah, nice, guys. Look at that. I like the way the spring onions are appearing. The way it looks crunchy. Huh? Guys, the taste is in another world. Guys, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Until next time, see you and be blessed. Love you. Adios, amigos.